What's up, what's up, what's up? This coming through real quick. Not a whole lot, but trying to tell you something though. I just really wanted to share a product that I've been using for the past month. Man, this video is for all my coffee drinkers. You drink coffee, don't you? Well, I drink coffee. Absolutely. I've actually incorporated drinking coffee into my daily routine maybe 15 years ago. Whether it be Dunkin' Donuts, Royal Farms, making it at home, I drink a cup of coffee every morning. And I know a lot of you guys out there do the same. I wanted to introduce a new coffee to you. It's called Brew. Brew. Get brewed. Get brewed in the morning. Get brewed. Absolutely. It's a mushroom coffee, got the cordyceps in it. Definitely, you know how Dunkin' Donuts and Royal Farm, all that coffee, it gets you woke, has you alert. This is going to have you mentally clear and focused. I'm trying to tell you something. Everything just becomes brighter and more clear. You're going to get a lot more done. And I don't know what size cup of coffee you drink every morning, but this may save you some money. Man, I'm trying to tell you something. The link somewhere in the description or in the comments. Get with me. Get brewed. Oh, all right. It's big vibes only.